Imagine a city that never sleeps, not because of humans walking its streets, but because of the machines that built it and now maintain it. A city where towering skyscrapers assemble themselves in real time, where drones soar through neon-lit skies like flocks of metallic birds, and where buildings breathe with the quiet pulse of artificial intelligence. Every surface, every street, every moving part is alive, connected, constantly adapting and constantly improving. This is not science fiction. It is the future unfolding before our eyes. A city constructed entirely by robots. It began in small, subtle ways. Robotic arms laying bricks with precision no human could match. Autonomous drones delivering construction materials in perfect synchrony. 3D printers shaping entire walls and structures in hours instead of days or weeks. But the machines did not stop there. They began to learn, to evolve, to design, to create. Entire neighborhoods now rise overnight, generated by algorithms that optimize every detail: strength, light exposure, airflow, and even aesthetic harmony. AI architects do not draft blueprints. They grow structures through code, evolving towers that twist like seashells, bridges that curve like bones, and skyscrapers that branch like trees. Efficiency becomes beauty. Beauty becomes efficiency. And when humans sleep, the city does not rest. Nanobots flow through walls, scanning for cracks and repairing them before they grow. Autonomous drones sweep streets, repair panels, and maintain infrastructure silently. Smart materials shift and adjust to regulate temperature, light, and even sound. The city is alive. It heals. It evolves. In this world, humans have a new role. We are no longer builders. We are visionaries. We are dreamers. We set goals, define possibilities, and watch as the robots bring our imagination to life with flawless precision. But as machines become creators, one question arises. Who is this city really for? A robot-built world may not require sunlight, parks, or human comfort. It may only value efficiency, precision, and order. Humans could become observers in a civilization that thinks, plans, and grows on its own. Yet there is hope. Because every curve, every glowing surface, every light and shadow reflects human creativity and ambition. Even if machines construct it, the vision behind the city is ours. Perhaps the cities of the future will belong neither to humans nor to robots alone, but to a new civilization shared between mind and machine, where intelligence, imagination, and precision merge, where cities grow, breathe, and adapt endlessly. This is the dawn of the machine-built civilization. A world where streets are alive, structures repair themselves, and cities never stop. A world where humans and machines together shape the future.